Naging intense ng kanilang upcoming film na Playtime ang mga naging sagot ni Zian Lim at Sani Lopez sa kanilang pag-upo sa hot seat ng GMA Integrated News. At dito, seryosong nagbahagi si Zian ng kanyang mga pinagdaanan matapos ang nagdaan niyang relasyon. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Kung kinakiligan ng mga viewers ang mga karakter na ginampanan ni Zian Lim sa mga ginawa niyang Kapuso series tulad ng False Positive, Hearts on Ice at Love Die Repeat, maninibago raw ang mga manonood sa bagong role ng Kapuso actor sa thriller movie ng GMA Pictures at Diva Films na Playtime. Gaganap si Zian bilang isang captor ng 3 babae na pinaghandaan niya raw sa loob ng 2 buwan.
I buffed up for it. But with the small amount of time that I had, well, malaki naman din talaga akong tao. Masarap lang maglaro doon sa remaining time that we have.
Kasama ni Zian sa pelikula sina Colleen Garcia at Faye Lorenzo. Kasama rin si Sania Lopez na sabay niyang umupo sa GMA Integrated News interviews.
Medyo kakaiba siya sa lahat ng mga ginawa ko. Alam nila, medyo patwitang. This time, makikita niyo for the first time yata akong ganon.
Napunta ang ilang parte ng usapan sa mga relasyon at si Zian naging bukas na pag-usapan ang ilang masakit na parte ng kanyang buhay.
It's sad, very painful, but life goes on.
Naiintindihan daw ni Zian ang sakit na naramdaman ng mga fans sa 12 taon nilang relasyon ng aktres at It's Showtime host na si Kim Chiu. Pero tila nalilimutan daw ng mga tao na sila ang unang nakaramdam ng sakit nito. At patuloy pa rin daw itong nakakasakit kay Zian.
Ba't nagpapaliwanag si Zian?
This is the first time you're opening up to something like that.
Yes, I open up to you off cam. Nagkukwentuhan tayo off cam, but
thank you for your honesty.
on cam, it's just really hard. It's gotten out of hand na. And that's just the painful part of it. That's just, and sabihin nila, nag-iingay si Zian because may pelikula. No, it really did explain from the bottom of our hearts kung ano talaga ang nangyari, hindi na namin kailangan pa isa-isahin kung sino ang nagkulang because, diba, it's just like any other relationship. But I do not deserve the false accusations, the lies being spread. I work really hard. We are all working really hard. I'm working so hard, and I don't want to be defined by what happened with my breakup, with my previous relationship.
Yes.
I don't want to be defined by that. I don't want to be defined by what people are saying about me, these false headlines or kung ano man.
Hindi na itinago ni Zian ang kanyang pagkadismaya, lalo't nakakaapekto na rin daw ito sa mga taong mahal niya.
Sige, ako na po yung tirahin nila, but not my family. Yun po, also just giving a little context is nadadamay na rin kasi yung nanay ko, pati yung lola ko, they're getting personal messages. I'm getting death threats, my mom's getting death threats.
Umabot sa ganon?
Yes, umaabot na po sa ganon. That's the gravity of the situation I'm dealing with now. So, my family does not deserve that, all that made up lies. So ayoko nang mandamay pa ng iba,
Para kay Zian, mas pinipili niya raw na maging masaya ang kanyang puso.
This may sound cliche, Zian, but I don't know if you would answer it. Maliit lang yung industriya natin. At some point, you'll bump into each other. Baka mag-promo kayo sa Showtime.
Kasi we ended in good terms. Wala naman talaga siyang, of course, mayroong iyakan, mayroong, we're people, tao kami. We ended in good terms and of course, we're in time na mabigyan kami ng pagkakataon na magtrabaho ulit. Why not?
Wow. Ganda.
Yes,
Maganda.
why not?
But how's your heart now?
It's okay. It's okay.
You look very
Doing
happy.
great. Doing great.
Doing great.
Kailangan laging masaya.
Sa ngayon, ang gusto raw ni Zian,
And I really would like to keep my, of course I'm saying this with all respect, I would like to keep my personal life, especially sa love, private, because it's just so hard. for 11, 12 years, that was an open book.
Bukas abangan naman ang kabuuan ng panayam ng GMA Integrated News kay Sanya Lopez na nagsalita na rin tungkol sa kanyang love life. Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happening.